If you could purchase your charged off debt directly from your credit union for pennies on the dollar, then remove it from your credit report, would you buy it? Constant phone calls and letters from collection agencies. Negative credit ratings follow consumers for years. Unemployment, loss of income, rising interest rates, bills piling up. Through Next Step Financial Solutions, consumers are able to purchase their own collection accounts for pennies on the dollar directly from the credit union and remove the negative account from their credit report. Save hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Reserve the option to purchase your account for up to 6 months if you need time to save. Reestablish your relationship with your credit union. With Next Step, you will discover life after debt. Do you need help? Just call 855-4NEXT-STEP. That's 855-463-9783. Or follow the link to www.nextstep360.com and take the next step to turning your finances around. We hope to hear from you soon.